Welcome to the course on how to use AI for SEO-friendly content creation. In this course, we're going to take a brief look at what SEO is and what it can do, and then we'll cover how we can use tools like ChatGPT to make all of this easier. We'll learn how to use ChatGPT to help us with our on-page SEO or on-site SEO, and to optimize our web page content for search engines and users. We'll look at how to do keyword research, long-tail keywords, brainstorming content ideas for blogs and articles, meta descriptions, and more. After that, we'll then look at how to do backlink research and outreach, analyzing competitors' websites, and then remixing long-form content to use in other areas like social media and more. If you have any questions along the way, or if you get stuck or just want to look into something further, make sure to ask in the discussion here or on the community page. Also, make sure to download the SEO prompt book from the next lesson in this course. It's filled with tons of prompts that we can use to accomplish everything we'll be covering, and I'll be using examples out of it in every lesson. Now that we're ready, my name's Andrew, and I'll be your instructor for this course. So let's go ahead and get started.